Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm gonna teach you what's the easiest possible way for you to get a Texas driver license. Legal one way, of course. So let's get started, guys. Please listen to me carefully. It's extremely important for you to not mess something out right here. So let's get started. Right here, we can check it out, guys. First thing first that you need to do actually is to go right here, dps.texas.gov. You can check it out, driver license right here. First, down below, driver license services are here, online services and everything. You can find something that you need for identification card, guys, commercial driver license and so on, if you need that kind of one. So yeah, it's here, everything transparent, everything prepared for you. How to apply for a Texas driver license. So we can see, guys, on their site right here, dps.texas.gov right here, U.S. citizenship, or if you're not a U.S. citizenship, evidence of lawful presence. That's right. That's why I said, guys, in the beginning part of the video, we're not talking about some other ways here, guys. Of course, we're talking about how can you legally possess Texas driver license. Number 2, Texas residency. 3 is identity. 4, social security number, guys. We all know that you need that for mostly everything and anything in the United States. Number 5 is evidence of tax vehicle registration for each vehicle you own. Registration must be current. Visit Texas DMV vehicle registration for more information. And right here, number 6, proof of insurance for each vehicle you own. Down below, you can see, guys, I don't want to read everything for you. I just wanted to show you the site where you can find it, guys. I have something prepared for in the further part of the video that will come to you handy. But right here, you can check it out. If you don't own a vehicle, you will sign a statement affirming this, blah, 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 and so on. Right here, you can see everything, guys. But there is another site that I want to show you guys that will be even more helpful, in my personal opinion, from my personal experience. Step-by-step guide to getting a Texas driver license, aceable.com. So what we're talking about here, how to get a Texas driver's license. First thing first that we need to conclude, guys, is how old are you? I'm between 14 and a half and 17 years old and do not have a learner's permit. Number 2, between 14 and a half and 17 and have my learner's permit. You can check it out, guys, and press on either one of those links and you will be redirected further. I'm 18 years or older. So based on your actual age, you'll have different requirements. So for what course you need to take, here is a breakdown by age: 14 to 17 teen driver education, guys, 18 plus adult driver education, and 25 plus driver education. Not required, but still recommended. Types of driver license in the Texas, guys, right here, we can check it out. Before you turn 21 in the state of Texas, you will go through a few different types, different types of Texas driver licenses before you get your full unrestricted license. So that's extremely important for you to comprehend in your head, guys. The different types of driver license in Texas are as follows. Number 1, learner license, guys. Instruction permit right here, minor restriction driver license, graduated driver license, and of course, provisional license, guys. Number 5, full unrestricted restricted driver's license. Requirements for getting your driver's license in Texas, of course, right here. When you turn 14, you can start taking the required driver education. At 15, you're eligible to get your own instruction permit, also known as a learner's permit. And when you turn 16, you can convert your permit into a full-fledged license. So that's something that you need to think about, guys, for yourself right here. If you're under 18 and have learner's permit, right here, guys, you can check it out. Still need a Texas learner's permit. Down below, you can find more information. That's why I said, guys, on aceable.com, it's much more simplified for you, much more information and everything. Basically, they're saying to you guys where you should go, what you should bring for from documents, what you need to obtain for documents, guys, how many age, and so on and so on. What about adults who need to learn how to drive? So in this case, guys, there's a similar process for getting your driver's license as an adult. People aged 14 to 17 take Texas teen driver ed, and those 18 or older take Texas adult driver's ed. Right here, Texas adult driver ed, guys, how to get Texas learner's permit over 25 and everything. Basically amazing. And right here, what's to give the DPS to get a Texas driver's permit, guys. So let's talk about what to bring to the DPS, guys. Right here, as I said, Department DPS, Texas.gov, guys, what to bring there to get your learner's permit. So we talked about it, but here is much more clear, guys. Proof of identity, 2 documents as proof of Texas residency, proof of social security number, proof of enrollment, graduation from school, like FOE, guys, form, high school diploma or GED, proof that you enrolled in completed PTDE and forms from PTDE packet, $16 for learner license fee, guys. Of course, it's $16, so you had to have in your pocket at least $16 to obtain one. How to choose the right driver's ed course in Texas. right here, first you need to decide on a few things. So what do we need to do here, guys? Do you want an online course in person? Do you want an outside instructor or parent to teach you? Is the driver's ed course state approved? How to tell if the driver's education is quality or not. Also, 3 ways to take teen driver's ed, guys. This is for teens right here. Texas driver's ed process right here. You can check it out. For example, I will just read this part for you because it's really crucial. Let's break down the driver's ed requirements for teens 14 to 17 years old. Teen driver's ed is made up of 2 separate portions of driver's ed learning. Classroom, 32 hours, behind the wheel, 44 hours. That's how it will take, guys, for you. So you can check it out. You're limited to 2 hours per day of both types of learning combined, guys. So no more than 2 hours per day. So you need to calculate your time, how much time will you need if you take it every day, guys, and so on and so on. So yeah, it's up to you basically, and your instructor. So you can find an arrangement to make a deal, something like that. Don't worry about it, but it's important for you to know that there is a 2 hours limit per day. Behind the wheel training, 7 hours of observation, watching a parent or instructor, 7 hours of training, 30 hours of practice. So you need 30 hours of practice, guys, driving with a licensed driver. 10 of those practice hours must be done at night. That's a requirement, so please keep that in your head. And as I said, aceable.com is bringing everything to you. Texas teen driver license requirements down below, guys. Proof of yours or your parents' car insurance, proof of yours or your parents' Texas motor vehicle registration, enrollment, graduation from school, and so on. Certificates of completion for driver ED and ITTD, guys. You'll also need your parent instructor, your permit right here, vehicle that can pass the safety inspection. Texas adult driver license requirements. If you're adult, guys, when you're 18 and so on, you can check it out. The written exam and road test right here, what to bring to the DPS for your test right here. Let's talk about that. So 18 or older, driver license application found at DPS, guys, right here, you said on the site. You can check it out. Also, proof of identity. Of course, proof of social security number. 2 documents is proof of Texas residency, proof of name change, guys, certificate of completion for driver's ED, driver's license fee of $25. Not more 16, guys. When you turn 18, you're adult, so they expect for you to have $9 more, I guess. So $25 here. Check it out. As I said, aceable.com, other driver's license options in Texas and everything. Give it a shot. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.